Hello, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I am going to explain how we can separate the mixed data into numerical data and the text. Suppose you are given with the data that is shown in the column B, in which we have the names and the age in the same column, and we want to separate them. If we separate them manually, it will take much longer time. To reduce the time and boost your productivity, let's learn this method.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
For this purpose, first we need to select this data. Then I will press F5. I will click on this special. I will click on this constant and only choose the text. After this, I will click OK, and this will select only the text from the mixed data. To select them, I will use the shortcut that is Ctrl C and paste it in this column by using shortcut Ctrl V. Similarly, to separate the numerical data, again I will select this data. I will press F5. I will click on this special. I will select this constant, and this time I will only check the numbers and uncheck all the other options and press OK. So this time it will select all the numerical data. To copy this, I will use the shortcut Ctrl C and paste it in this age column. In this way, the text and the numerical data is separated easily. If this video helped clear some spreadsheet stress, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.